So we're back, and on this next section, we're going to be working on adding a divider and a button and the heading that'll be for these columns. Okay, so let's begin with the button first. So just touch the button. This will be under the blocks. You'll have blocks and style. So if you are looking at style and you're not seeing those little boxes, just go over to blocks and roll over the button and then just drag it over. Now if you notice, you see how the left and right column are highlighted? Make sure that it's above that where you drop it off. There we go. There. And now what'll happen is the button information will open up on the right hand side, and this is where we're going to name the button. We'll give it a name, and this is going to be Find My Agent. And this is where it links to, so it has a web address, and you'll type your web address here or your copy and paste it into this area. On your style, this is where you change the color, or you can change the shape. You can make the edges a little round if you need, okay, just by moving that little circle back and forth. Over here is the background color of the button. This blue is the blue that you see where it says Find My Agent. So go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to change that color for this one. And I've already selected my color, so I'm going to highlight that and then just paste in the hex code that I want. And for mine, it's going to be 0A0AA0. And there you see it changed into a royal blue. The color of the text is white, which is fine. FFF is white. It's bold, which is fine. The spacing is normal. And the padding is the space between the letter and the edge. So if I wanted a wider space, I could put a bigger number there. You see how it gave a little bit more space. So I will leave it to where it was before at 18. I like that size. And in settings, you can, again, align it where you want. If you want it on the left-hand side, if you want it on the right-hand side, and for this example, we'll leave it in the middle. Now, there are some options here as far as width. You can have it fit to text, which is what it's at now, or you can have it full width. And full width just means that it goes the full length of the newsletter. So let's leave it at fit to text. Okay, and remember to save, and you're done with that section. Okay, quickly moving over to the divider. Take the divider and we'll drag it over again, just right underneath the button. And in my example, I had a dotted line. So let's go over here to where it says border top. It's solid, so choose dashed and the color. Right now it's this grayish color, so let's change it to the same blue. Now, of course, this is only for the example. You can do any color you want. But for the example, it was blue, so let's leave that as blue. And you can also have a different color background if you want. But for this example, let's just leave it as plain white. Go ahead and hit save. The next step is to go ahead and drag over the text box, and we'll drop it just below the divider. And the box will open up again to the right hand side, and go ahead and we'll put in new listings. That was the title that I had on the example. Now if you notice, the words are on the left hand side, or my title's on the left hand side, and we're going to have to fix that, but we'll go into the section here on style on how to correct that. So for now, let's go ahead and we'll open that back up. I had a little icon set here on the left-hand side of the title, so let me go ahead and grab that. And I made this little title icon, and I'll show you how to make one as well. But it's your logo basically in a condensed version or a smaller version of itself. And we'll go ahead and we'll first style you align it on the left hand side, or actually let's do center. And I want to leave some space on the right of the image. So I'm going to put about 5 pixels. There we go. And then we'll have to fix the new listings title area. So let's go ahead and we'll do that now. So we'll go here. We are in the page headings. And so the second heading is the one that we're going to choose. And do you remember that code that we had earlier? 0A0AA0, the royal blue color. That's the color we're going to use for the title. And let's see how 22 looks. And I do want it in the center. And I'll go ahead and I'll take the boldness off of it for now, just to check it. So we go back to the section, highlight new listings, and go here under styles and choose heading 2. And see how it brought everything to the center? But my text is still kind of small. So let's go ahead and adjust the size of that heading again. So we had 22 here, so let's go to 24. I still need more. Let's try 30. I think that's a good size. Okay, so let's go ahead, and later on it looks like we're gonna have to fix this one. But for now, let's go ahead and hit save, and that section is done for the new listings. Okay.